Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to buy France eSIM on Maya Mobile. Here's how to buy France eSIM using Maya Mobile website. The first thing to do is to launch your desktop browser and navigate to the Maya Mobile website at maya.net. Once you get into the website, click on the login button at the top right corner, enter your mobile number and password to access your account. If you are already signed in, you may not need to log in again. Once you get into the website, check the top corner of the screen. You find a couple of tabs, including Travel eSIM for business, how it works, coverage, explore help. Now click on Travel eSIM, and that provides two categories: regional eSIM plans and popular travel eSIM plans. Now head over to popular travel eSIM plans and you see a wide array of destinations. You can even select all 200 plus destinations to see all of them. Now from this list, we're going to select France because that is the core of this tutorial, and that's going to take you to the next window. Now this window says enjoy fast 5G/4G mobile data in France with instant activation on eSIM compatible devices. The best SIM for travel and remote work anywhere you need to go. So scroll the way down to pick your plan duration, go prepaid or unlimited, and get ready to connect. You can choose your plan duration: 5 days, 10 days, 15 days, or 30 days, and browse through this option. Now review the available France eSIM plans, which may include different data allowances and durations. Now choose the plan that best fits your need. I'm using the unlimited, so I'm just going to click on the buy now button, and that's going to take me to my other review page. In case you change your mind in this other review page, you can select plan length and change it to either 10 days, 15 days, or 30 days. Check what's included in your SIM and click on review and pay. And that's going to take you to the checkout window in here. The first thing you check is your order summary. Ensure it is just the France eSIM that is in your order summary. So I have a previous order in my cart that I need to remove, so I'm just going to click on remove from cart. That makes my France eSIM a standalone. Now come back here to payment method. You need to select your payment method, either credit or debit card, PayPal or Google Pay. If you're using your credit or debit card, add your card number, expiry date, security code, name on card. But if you're using PayPal or Google Pay, click on that and follow through with the prompt. Then select pay. Once you select the pay button, that's it. After completing the purchase, you receive an email or notification with instructions on how to activate your France eSIM. Follow these instructions to set up your eSIM on your device. After following the steps, you will have successfully purchased a France eSIM through the Maya Mobile website. Now go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you are done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.